Hey guys, welcome back to the Charlie channel. Today, a long time ago I got this. I found it somewhere on one of my shelves, I think. And when you pull it back, it goes. So we're gonna be, and we declare that it's indestructible. It has this on the front plus the rubber. So we're gonna be pulling it back really far, and then we're gonna launch it off this flight of stairs.
Yeah.
So like all the way back to my bed. Like all the way back to my bed.
Okay.
Charlie, enter the passcode.
Oh wait, Austin, we're not ready.
Yeah, we're not playing Minecraft yet.
Okay.
Here we go. Playing?
We're
Making
waiting.
a
Just
video.
wait. It's charging some more. Oh yeah! Hey, the wing fell off. How was that possible?
Charlie, it is charged.
And wait, we need to charge it some more. Where did it go? Oh wait, I'll see it. Let's see if I can remember where I put it.
Probably right here. I'd imagine.
Oh yeah, it goes.
What are you guys doing?
Wait, Austin, be patient. Something else will happen.
Here.
Wait, so yeah,
I
it
want
goes
to do something weird.
like- wait.
Here, I got it.
Okay, so could you?
I'll hold the car. Here, I'll hold your iPad.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. This is like your pit stop.
Ah, okay. Fixed.
Okay, now do it down the stairs. Down the stairs.
Okay, and now we're gonna do it
We've
down
got
the
another
stairs.
flight of stairs, so Charlie's gonna pull back.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Woo!
Oh!
Indestructible, as I said.
And he kept on going.
A little bit. Now we're gonna be going down to this.
It's not very far. It's just one step. The wing fell off again.
The wing is stupid.
Now we get to go down those stairs.
After we put the wing back on.
And it'll like land on the shoes. Or
like
something.
make it more aerodynamic. It has a wing.
Could stop again.
Sorry, this is taking too long. Taking too long. Okay, there you go.
Alright. There you go.
We have like tape with it somewhere.
Okay.
Woo!
Fail.
Wait, no, I actually fell off. Was it? No, what was something? I heard it. Oh, it was this. Okay, I wonder where this one. I have it there.
2 stairs.
No, one of the tires almost fell off.
Okay, we've got another two stairs.
I just need to fix the tire.
He's got tons of steps in his house.
I know, right?
Yeah, as I said.
From now on, I'm gonna film. From now on, I'm gonna film from at the bottom of the staircase.
Okay.
Woo! Oh, I'm getting it for me.
Like a boat.
Wait, no, it's better.
Ow!
Okay, and now we have one more stair area of stairs in our area, which is
What area?
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh no!
We're not.
Going out of the house.
Hey, it's like concrete.
Yeah.
Human.
Should I? It's a challenge.
I'll be at the bottom, so
If it's really, I'll go tell her.
just tell her we'll be right outside, like on the front porch, and we'll come back in a minute.
Okay. The ultimate challenge.
Okay. Wait. Okay, go.
Just make sure everything's like awesome first.
I can't hear you, so hurry up, please.
Okay.
Sorry, it's a little shaky. Okay. Hurry up. Okay.
Eric is coming out. Woo! Woo!
Oh my gosh.
Wing fell off again.
Okay, let's just try it on flat ground, okay?
Set of stairs.
Its wing fell off.
Sadly.
And the wing actually helps. It
actually makes it more aerodynamic.
Yeah.
Like a really real life.
La la la.
That's Erica. Okay, so thanks for watching.
Yep.
And try to find this set. It's really cool. I don't think they sell them anymore.
Okay.
So bye.
Bye.